In this video, we will discuss practical implementation of comparison operators. First, I have a file of app.js. Here I have written var to initialize variables. A equals to 10, B equals to 20. I told you before that we can initialize variables by writing let. We can also do this by writing var. Let is modern way of initializing. Var is the old way used when Java was early introduced. Then ES6 came at the time var was more commonly used. If you do with let, it does not matter that much. We will see a video later where it will become clear the difference between var and let. Var and let. So here we have variables 10, 20 and var. We have given as line breaker. We will have parentheses with result. Two parentheses we have, and we have checked whether A is double equal to B. In document.write I have written result and next have line break. We will see whether A is double equal to B. A will have 10 and B is 20. It is not, so the result will be false. The answer will be that A equals to B will be printed as it is, and after it will have the result which is false. Let's look at the result here. We will refresh it and we will see A equals to B that we have seen, and ahead of it we see our result false. In another example, in document.write, A is less than B, 10 is less than 20, so the answer is true. For instance, A is greater than B. We will have round braces here, and we will define it in result. So my first is true and second is false. 10 is not greater than 20, so the answer will be false. We will move further and check the condition of not equal. In this, A is not equal to B, so the result will be false. Let's check it. Then we will check two conditions. I had told you in dry run that if one condition is true, it will be true. But here not even one condition is true. Neither is A greater than B and is also not equal to B, so the result will be false. But here A is less or equal to B. Here A being 10 is less than B, which is 20, but is not equal to B. As one condition is true, hence the result will also be true. So we will see it here. A and B weren't equal, so we have true here. Then we have false, and last one is truth.